Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, December 7th. Kind of a sideways choppy action market day here. Looks like after a pretty good sized move to the upside, right into some well-defined resistance, which we'll talk about in a minute, at the 111.20 mark. We even were able to break out of that into the next logical place of resistance on that chart, which if I scrunch this up a bit, was the beginning of this big sell-off out of the symmetrical triangle from Friday. So pretty good size sell-off. Came back up, bounced to about the 50-yard line right through here, which we'll look at right now. So it's going to look all kind of scrunched up, but if you measure this where people started getting hurt down to the low of that bar, the 50-yard line at 110.80. So I drop a line in there, and you can see this 110.80 was resistance, broke, became support, 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 broke, became resistance, resistance, broken, became support. So 110.80 remains as a significant price. Another one at the even number of 111, resistance, broken, became support throughout even today. And so it's nice to have that one in our camp. We're watching that one try to hold now on several swing lows, higher swing lows in the day, but the run up into price we saw after this resistance was again significant, and it was stalling at this 111.50 area. We kind of talked about that in the class we're running right now, and these lower swing highs again with our higher swing lows through here, and then we broke that. That becomes resistance, and so we're consolidating between 111 and 111.20, looking for a move either up or down out of that. Interesting also that the trend is consistently above 1.2 all day long, while the trend Q has been consistently below 0.8 until most recently. You can see this little spike up here at 11:07 Eastern Standard Time, and then a consolidation at 0.8. So that points towards some consolidation. And then again, the tiebreaker typically with the VIX is interesting because we've been watching this area right through here, and volatility is bleeding out, pointing to more of an upside movement. So kind of flat. However, if this does fail through this level and starts heading south, we can look at higher time frames and see why we're holding up a little bit at the 50 MA right through there. On a 60-minute chart, not quite as relevant, but just choppy. So a little bit of a sideways consolidation with a tiny base bearish bias, but in a lot of ways, if the VIX does start falling, we could look for a move either out of the 111.20 mark or down below the 111 mark to the next logical places of resistance and support. And D7 will be with you at the close to shore up what happened and talk about that. And I hope you had some great trading opportunities out there today in your relative strength and weakness stocks compared to this. There are some good trades even on the broad markets. So good stuff, everybody. Nice working with you. And again, happy Monday.